Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do another reaction. The reaction is the Jogja 2020 video. The state of Somali is really amazing. This is the capital of Somali, I think. Jogja city from Somalia is really amazing city. This is the 2020 drone view. So let's see how about the Somali city. If you really like this video, so make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share to your friend. You're watching direction video and my name is Now. So must subscribe and must comment. Let's check out. Oh, Jogja 2020, Somali beautiful city. Wow. Oh, wow. Somali soil is look like red, right? So beautiful. Oh, there is camel. Ah, I can see there is camel. Oh, wow. Wow, nice. There is mountain also. You can see in this video mountain. Wow. So amazing, eh? Beautiful road clean. I can't believe this is Somali. Oh wow. There is all auto call taxi, you can call taxi. There is, you can see so many. Wow, amazing city. Oh, oh, so many tree there. I like tree, green city. Oh, I like it. Wow, amazing city, eh? Wow. So nice. Oh, there is also so many tall buildings you can see there in this video. Wow, amazing Somalia city. Thank you for watching. Must subscribe this channel also, okay? Don't forget. Amazing video, guys. So this is the beautiful Somali city. It's really amazing. I really like. I can't believe this is Somali, but this is Somali city. I really enjoy this video. If you really like this video, there is so many tree, is green city I like. Okay, so must subscribe and don't forget to share. Love you all, take care, bye bye.